Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Chachana Creation. Today we are going to unboxing the scale model of Ambassador from Centy Toys. And the scale model is available in online market. You can purchase using my description link. This is the scale model, comes in 1:32 ratio. Come on everyone, let's explore the scale model now. Actually, when the scale model collector used to collect the scale model which is having small detailing things, but in this car I'm not able to find out the small detailing things, so I'm planning to do some modification to get the detailing things in this car. I hope you will enjoy this modification. And I bought this black car long back which is in yellow color. I changed into black color now and with a headlamp. So now I'm going to show you the after modification of this white car. Thanks for watching this video, and please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from Chachana Creation.